Oh, honey! Oh, honey!
You didn't even say thank you to Kuya.
Thank you.
Very good.
Honey! Honey!
Oh yeah, it's a real honeybee, anak.
Wait, there's a pipe going there.
Yeah.
Hello, honeys. They're honeybees.
Oh, it's a real honeybee.
They're
See, can you read this?
Honeybees are also brilliant boobiers.
Boobiers? Yeah. Honeybees are super important pollinators. Imagine. You know that already.
Yeah.
Each
they're-
bee has 170 odorant receptors.
Whoa, that's a
Oh,
lot.
That's amazing. Ah, this is full. Is it harmful to take honey from the hive?
Did you know that bees, lucky for us, the efficient little workers produce 2 to 3 times more honey than we need, so we get into the tasty treat too.
Ah, you see? Lifespan of a worker bee during this time should produce around at what is that? 12 of a teaspoon. Oh wow, teaspoon of honey. You see that? That's the honeybees
They're
facts.
one pollinators. Also,
Honeybees are excellent flyers also. Yeah? Huh?
kidding. Look at their flying
No
scale.
kidding. I know. Look at that. Oh wow.
It's like a little
It's a real
exhibit.
honeybee, anak. It's a beehive. Very
A
good.
beehive. A beehive is their home.
Yeah, it's their home. Okay. Did you enjoy the Nutella one?
Yeah. Also
It
the
was
bees.
nice, yeah.
There's all.
The Nutella is
There's
nice. Okay,
all.
we have to go from there.
Oh no.
Oh, here. Come here.
This is a nightmare. We literally have to walk from all the way there.
No, not really. Why?
Patience, yo.
Pasensyo. So,
I
Okay.
think it's Spanish. You guys know
What?
Spanish,
I think
French.
it's good. Okay. Put sanitizer here.
Sanitizer.
Matthew, you
20
also.
seconds.
Sanitize your hand, anak.
Rub 20 seconds.
Yeah, how to rub properly. Show me. How to sanitize your hand. Very good. Okay. Okay. How many steps is that?
20. Yes.
How many steps?
20 steps.
20? Okay. Good.
Hopefully
Okay,
you
let's
guys
go.
like our video. So guys, we're still in the mall, as you know, because show you something at the end of the video. So stay tuned until the end of the video.
Okay.
Oh, actually.